Hervannan Satosaara Arkkitehdinkatu 26 in Hervanta, Tampere. Staircase B. Kone nano-space elevator here. Gap is nice. But our shovel was much better, of course. In 2018, 4323623. Fifth floor. I think this was for 4% 325 kilograms originally, but they wanted to bigger elevator here. This nano-space, so it's 10% 800 kilograms would have been possible. The gap is not bigger than in the original one, I think. Ground floor. Because it was the big 4% elevator. Inspected by Inspected, maintained by Kone. Fifth floor. Inspected by Inspected, maintained by Kone. I'm sorry if I already said it. There are too many lot of buildings and modernized elevators here in Hervanta. I think I tried to film some elevators. After this one also. Ground floor. I have got about 30 elevators built. That's